Crack the code. Attributive adjectives in English. Hello, language learners. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of English adjectives, specifically, attributive adjectives. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use attributive adjectives in your everyday English, making your communication clearer and more vivid. Attributive adjectives are adjectives used before a noun to modify or describe it. They help provide more information about the noun, offering details like color, size, number, condition, or opinion. For example, in the sentence, I have a red apple. Red is the attributive adjective modifying the noun apple. When using attributive adjectives, it's important to remember they usually come before the noun they are modifying. However, there's a specific order to follow when using more than one adjective. It's not a strict rule, but it will help your English sound more natural. The general order is opinion, size, age, shape, color, origin, material, purpose. For example, consider the sentence, she wore a beautiful, long, old, oval, green, Italian, silk, evening dress. It might seem overwhelming, but practice will make this more intuitive. While our focus is on attributive adjectives, it's helpful to understand their counterparts, predicative adjectives. Unlike attributive adjectives, these are used after the noun, often with a verb like is or seems. For example, the apple is red. Finally, the key to mastering attributive adjectives is practice. Try writing your own sentences using different attributive adjectives or convert sentences using predicative adjectives to attributive ones. For instance, the dress is blue and pretty can be changed to the pretty blue dress. That's it for today's deep dive into attributive adjectives. We hope you found this helpful, and remember, language learning is a journey, not a race. Keep practicing and experimenting with attributive adjectives, and soon they'll become second nature. Until next time, happy learning!